robot vacuum cleaner. With 1600pa strong suction power, Dser 1600pa robot vacuum can easily clean various dust, hairs, and debris from your room, carpet, and floor, automatically increasing suction power when extra vacuuming strength is needed. 2.83 inches super slim design enables robotic vacuum clean under beds and sofas easily. It is enough to reach every corner of a house or narrow space. Dser robot vacuum compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Use voice commands to control your robot vacuum cleaner from anywhere anytime, allowing users to let the robot start and stop the cleaning. Easily control the cleaning direction by using the Dser Life app and remote control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Intelligent protection. Using upgraded anti-drop sensing technology with infrared sensors, this robot vacuum detects the surrounding environment to protect itself from falling off stairs and other edges, but glides effortlessly along them to ensure every inch has been cleaned. Number 2. Auto charge return. The robotic vacuum will automatically return to the charging dock when the battery falls below 20%, so never worry about running out of power or having to manually move the RoboGeek 21T. Number 3. Area-specific cleaning. Set the boundaries for your robotic vacuum cleaner with 2 specialized dual sensors, ensuring it only cleans the areas you want and prevents it from scratching furniture or approaching small animals. Number 4. Extra large dust box. There's no need to empty this robot vac frequently as it comes with a 600 milliliters dust box, allowing it to store more dirt, clean more areas, and vacuum for longer. Number 5. Multifunctionality. With a variety of different cleaning functions, take complete control over this robot vacuum cleaner remotely using the Dser Life app, or use voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 6. Silent cleaning. Just hit auto clean and fall sound asleep while the RoboGeek 21T does the hard work for you, operating at an extremely quiet 58 dB. Number 7. Smart sensor technology and boundary strips. Infrared sensors and anti-drop technology enable the robotic vacuum to evade obstacles and avoid falls. It also comes with 2 bands of magnetic boundary strips, which prevent the robot vacuum cleaner from entering the place where it doesn't need sweeping. Number 8. Multiple cleaning modes and auto recharge. With multiple cleaning modes, selective auto, edge, spot, single room, max, manual cleaning modes ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. 600 milliliters large dustbin holds more debris. 2600 mAh ion batteries ensure up to 100 minutes of constant working. Automatically return to charging dock when in low power. Number 9. What you get. Worry-free for 12 months. 1 robot vacuum, 6 feet magnetic boundary strips, 4 side brushes, 1 extra filter, 1 remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, 1 charging dock, 1 adapter, and 1 cleaning tool, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.